Jackie and Tracy, good afternoon. It's called Care After COVID, and Virtua Health System actually surveyed hundreds of COVID-19 patients in our area, learning that 30% of them are still suffering some sort of side effect or symptom, be it weeks or months after being diagnosed. So the hospital system, well, they sprang into action, creating this new specialty service that began just this week. At a healthy age 49.
It feels very lonely having this, especially when people are like, I bounced back so quickly.
Virtua nurse Kelly Quigley never thought COVID-19 would drastically have such a long-lasting effect on her health. While peers, she says, recovered fast, the wife and mom of 3 says a month after her positive test, she was short of breath and still coughing.
I noticed that when I was trying to talk to my family, I would stutter a little bit, and I had a hard time just with articulation. I'd have to say, what is that word again?
Confusion and memory loss led to a brain MRI that revealed she'd suffered a stroke.
I was absolutely shocked. It was very upsetting.
We knew that we needed to do something to help these folks get back on the path to wellness.
Virtua Health System was listening, not just to Kelly, but dozens of COVID-19 so-called long hauler patients suffering from a myriad of symptoms.
Shortness of breath, brain fog, headaches, fatigue.
They officially launched a Care After COVID program for anyone with lingering, persistent, or permanent complications brought on by COVID-19.
You just have to have one symptom to be part of it, and they literally hook you up with each specialist that you need to be with. So if you're having heart issues, they get you set up with cardiology.
Then we schedule follow-ups with them to ensure that they really are progressing. And if they're not, then we can intervene.
Patients begin by having telehealth visits. Quigley learned she was also born with a tiny hole in her heart and will soon have surgery to address palpitations that only surfaced because of COVID. She hopes her journey will help guide someone else.
I was a little nervous about this today, but I think that the Care After COVID program through Virtua is going to help a lot of people.
And there is one commonality among long-haul patients that doctors say they're just now beginning to see and learn through the Care After COVID program. We'll have more on that, as well as how a patient navigator will help you every step of the way once you're enrolled. That's coming up tonight at 6. For now, reporting live in Voorhees, I'm Cydney Long, NBC10 News.